Hello, I'm State Representative John Payne of the 106th District in Dauphin County. Thanks for joining me for this month's V-Clip. On Friday, April 27th, I held my 7th annual Senior Health Fair at the Hummelstown Fair Company. The expo provides seniors with a one-stop shop for information about health care, state government programs, home-based services, and other issues. It also gives me a chance to hear their ideas and concerns about state government. For those of you who were unable to attend, I'd like to share portions of this year's Senior Health Fair with you now.
We're here mostly to educate folks to make sure they understand they have a lot of choices in health care as they grow older. Some of the plans don't fit everybody, and it's important that people don't make a choice without knowing what all the options are.
I think that's the biggest advantage of the Health Expo that we're doing is so many people know that there's plans out there or programs out there, but what are they? What are the differences? What are the ambiances between the different plans? And without pushing any one area, it's here's the menu, if you will.
And that's what we do.
One of the biggest things we're trying to get the word out about is free prostate screenings that we do in our offices if you haven't had those done. So it's a free PSA and also a DRE. And we have the forms here. It's very important to have your prostate checked after the age of 40, especially if you have a family history. And we want to help support you take care of your health.
Now, tell me a little bit about, I know what a PSA is because I've had that test done. I'm over 40, but your other test and why it's so important to have that screening done early.
We've found even younger men could develop prostate cancer, and if you don't get it treated early or at least know what your PSA score is, and DRE is a digital rectal exam, so a urologist actually sees if there's any lumps or anything in your prostate. So they coordinate that with the PSA level and monitor it over time. And it's important to either decide with your physician if you should just be monitored with active surveillance, have radiation therapy, robotic, prostatectomy if it's developed at a later stage, so that you can fully recover and have many more years to enjoy your life with the way you want to live with your family and friends.
Well, thank you very much. I know the people are piling in, and I don't want to hold you up because there's customers standing in line here waiting to talk to you. Thanks very much. Tell me a little bit about the services that you offer and the locations of the hearing centers.
Okay. We work for West Shore and Hershey Hearing Center. We have 2 locations. West Shore is at 3512 Trindle Road, Camp Hill, and Hershey's at 431 East Chocolate Avenue in Hershey. We do hearing tests, hearing screening. We provide different types of hearing aids. We do repairs, and basically we try to make people happy.
Karen, tell me a little bit about the HACK program and what you're doing today at the Senior Health Expo.
All right, well today we have 2 years of students with us. We have first-year students and second-year students. They're all doing oral cancer or soft tissue exams, both in the mouth and externally to check for maybe swollen lymph nodes and possible oral cancers. Both your students are able to do this. They're all seeing patients in our clinic right now at HACK. And they're doing a great job. I'm really proud of how they're performing and how they're providing nice educational information for the people participating today.
Well, I think it's a great opportunity both sides of the table because while the students are getting a chance to deal with real seniors and real people, I think it gives the public a chance to see the great program that HACK has and offers. And I always get excited when I see young people in fields for healthcare and for medicine and how important that is, especially as our population ages. So I want to congratulate you in that program. Thank you for joining me for this month's V-Clip. As a reminder, I'll be sending an update each month as a way to keep you informed on the issues taking place in Harrisburg and throughout the district. If you have any questions about any state government matter, please contact my office. That information appears within this email message. Until next time, I'm John Payne.